Welcome WWCC students. Here is a quick tutorial on email, our WWCC email. Our link straight to your mail account is www.cc.edu/email. Fairly straightforward. When you're on your operating system, you'll see open window. These are most of your options for Windows 10 and Windows version operating system, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. So generally we work with these two, Firefox or Google Chrome. Chrome is best with Canvas. Our email will open up and work with most things. When you're working in schoolwork, these two once again work the best. So when we're in, or you bring up one of these, just double click on one of those, it will open up a browser window for you. You can, wherever you are, you can just type in www.cc.edu and you open up to our homepage. You can see that across the top, Canvas is our learning management system. And here's where you can get your school information. Over here is email and My WWCC. My WWCC is where you get your transcripts and all of your registration options and everything that's going on at the college. Email is what we're working on right now. So if you click on that, you get to the email window and you're seeing then how to log on to your email. Once again, the login page is one more click away, but how you do it is with your SID, generally an 814 number, and at wwcc.edu. Then you use your net ID that you set up when you registered for registration for WWCC. If you've forgotten or you haven't been here for a while, you can click here, or if you haven't activated it, you can click here and activate your account, and that's activation ID, change your password. You're able to go in and do what you need to do with your options. You need a net ID really to get into everything. It's almost one sign-on when you're here on campus working in the labs. You get into your email, you get on Canvas, it's all the same 814 number and your net ID. Sometimes you have the at WWCC.edu. When you're logging on to our network, you just use your 814 number. So email option, once again, if you're here, it'll take you, you sign in, once again, your 814 number at wwcc.edu, and then it'll ask for your net ID and password. So just go next and you're ready to get logged in. I'm logged in as a student, and that student then has some mail. Mail folders, once again, you can see that there are several things along the top. It works like any regular mail. Here's Outlook for you. Albert Adams, demo student here at the college. When you have a new message, you can just click new message. You can type in to whoever you're going to send it to. CC anybody. Blind carbon copy, BCC, is for those when you do multiple sending to multiple people to to hide their email address, and that's a good option to do. Add a subject, give some text, and you're ready to send or trash it. Now once again, here's the option to attach. A lot of times we attach files when we're sending back and forth, so you can get it on this computer, on the cloud, like from your OneDrive. So when we're looking over here, you can see all your folders. Most of your options are going to be in your inbox. There also might be some clutter, and the clutter can be, things that you just don't open or don't look at very often. It'll automatically go to your clutter. You can move it back and forth though as you need to. Drafts that you've started but haven't sent, your sent items, and then deleted items. So junk mail though might be more there as we get along, but our filter does a pretty good job. So once again, just like any email option, you can also see a calendar and be able to map out what you need from there. Okay, so when we're looking at our options to get or download 365, this is where we're looking in our email options. So if you click on here, here's your apps, and these apps work both. There are two ways that they work. They work online version and then cloud, and then they also, you can download them all. So if you go to Office 365, you can go ahead and take a look at how that's going to work. and there's a lot of different things that you can check out. So all apps you can download all at once, which is pretty good, or you can go here, install Office. Okay, so Office 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. OneDrive for business, even Access. Okay, so this is where you get everything that you need. That should do it for you to get started. Have a good day. Contact me with questions.